Hello everyone, today we are going to learn very easy and simple techniques of drawing by using pastel or crayons. So let's start. In watermelon I use red, green, yellow and black color, and you can draw like this. Brinjal, in this I use only purple and green color. Carrot, in this I use orange and green crayon. You can use any color, whatever you have. Now pumpkin, also I use orange and green color. We can use yellow also if we don't have orange. This is light orange color. Okay, now burger, in this I use green, brown, yellow and red color. We can use any color what we have, okay? Thank you for watching this video and thank you for your attention. Please like and subscribe this video.